Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play the Naruto Online game for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Naruto Online for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Naruto Online, since that's where we will download the game. So just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly and exactly is what I will enter, so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Naruto Online game on this website, it's so simple. Just scroll down a little and then you will now be able to see the download button for the game right here. Just go and click it. And after clicking it, you will now be directed to the downloading page of the game. So here on the downloading page, you will now be able to see all the download links for many different versions of the game. So just select the link depending on the version you want to download. But I recommend you to select the first link or the link at the top, since this is the latest version of the game. And after clicking the link, there you go guys. The zip file for your Naruto Online will now start downloading. This zip file will contain the installation file for the actual game, so just wait for it to finish. And once the zip file is downloaded, we will now proceed to the next step. So for the next step, I want you to open your File Explorer. And once you're on your File Explorer, next, I want you to find the zip file for your Naruto Online game that you've just downloaded earlier. Most of the time you can find it at the Downloads directory of your File Explorer. And once you've found the zip file, next, we will need to extract this file in order to access the actual game inside it. So to extract this zip file, I want you to right-click it. And then you will now be able to see the extract button right here. Just go and click it. And after that, you can now extract the file. But before you click the extract button, I want you to make sure that this option is checked or enabled, since this ensures that once the zip file was extracted, you will be automatically directed to the extracted version of the file automatically, so you won't need to waste your time finding the extracted version once again. And once you're sure that the option is enabled, you can now click the extract button. And then the extraction process will now start. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, there you go guys. You will now be able to see the actual game right here. So just go and click it to start the installation of the game. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to check this agreement box to agree to their terms and service policy, and then you can now proceed on clicking the install button after that. And then the game will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Naruto Online game installed on your PC or laptop. So just log in or create your game account and then you will be able to play it. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.